Hey everyone, it's Karan here. Welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to review a product which is getting a lot of attention lately. I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, who's it for, and if it's actually worth your money. I'll break down the features, pros and cons, and share my honest opinion, my honest thoughts about this product. So let's jump into it and I'll take you through the full breakdown of the product. And if this review helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting a lot of reviews, tutorials, and bonuses every day for you. Let's get started. So guys, this product is called AI Content Center. It can create complete long form content which is powered by multiple advanced AI models. It also claims that it can generate high quality content instantly using top AI models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and more. You can access all the tools, you can access all the models using one powerful dashboard. No monthly fees, no limitations, no multiple subscriptions. It also has a sales video, which I'll be adding in the end of this video. So now let's check what exactly you can create, what content you can create, wherein it is mentioned that it can create any type of long form content, which can be published ready content in minutes, from full ebooks to high converting sales page. So what you can create is you can create full ebooks and digital products, sales page that convert, SEO articles and blog posts, email swipes and sequences, video scripts and VSLs, marketing and ad copy, product reviews, social media content, business documents, training guides and courses, lead magnets, and AI powered research reports. I'll take you through the models that this product has. Once you purchase it, you can get access to Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, more premium models. So ideally, the cost of all the models, the AI models which you have seen on the screen, the cost is $297 per month. But if you purchase this, you can get this product just for $17, and it's a one-time fee. Now let's check why long-form AI content is the biggest money-making opportunity right now. So the demand is exploding, wherein companies spending billions on content marketing every year, freelancers charging $500 to $5,000 for ebook and sales page, bloggers earning passive income from SEO articles, agencies offering retainer services for content creation. So what's the problem? Wherein creating long form high quality content takes time, skill and money. Wherein hiring a professional copywriter would cost you $500 to $5,000 per project. Buying multiple AI tools will cost you $50 to $500 per month each. Learning to prompt AI properly would take a lot of time. Also, you have to switch between 5 different platforms to get the job done. That's why most people give up before they ever see results. So AI content tools are expensive, wherein we'll just check what the real problem is. I'm going to take you through the cost of all the AI tools if you buy it separately. So Jasper AI would cost you £39 to £99 per month just for writing. Copy.ai will cost you $36 to $186 per month. ChatGPT Plus will cost you £20, $20 per month, and separate SEO tools will cost you $50 to $200 per month. Individual API access will be $100 to $500 per month. So in total, it will cost you around $245 up to $1,000 per month. But with this product, it will only cost you $17 and it's a one-time fee. Also, you will have to create a new subscription. You will have to need to learn a new interface and you pay more for same results. Now, here's everything you're about to unlock inside once you purchase AI Content Center. You can create a complete long form content generator. You can get multiple advanced AI models all in one place. You can also get smart AI writing features, complete ebook and digital product creation system, SEO and marketing optimization engine, cloud-based AI content studio, smart output optimization system, commercial license included. So we'll just check how AI Content Center works. 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into AI Content Center. Step 2, choose your AI model and content type. Step 3, generate content, complete long form content in seconds. No monthly payments, no complicated tools, no limitations. You can also turn AI Content Center into multiple income streams. You can start a high ticket copywriting service, create and sell digital products, launch a content marketing agency, create viral video content, build authority blogs and niche sites, freelance on Fiverr, Upwork, and direct clients. You can also sell AI content services to local businesses. I'll just tell you why AI Content Center wins. So these are the features. You can just check on the screen, wherein these are all the other AI models. AI Content Center is the only one who can offer all the features in just $17. Why AI Content Center dominates the competition? Multiple AI models, multiple strengths, true long form content, not just short snippets, no monthly fees, massive savings, commercial license, direct income. Your purchase is 100% safe, risk free with our AI Content Center guarantee. It also has a 30-day risk free money back guarantee, wherein you risk nothing but you gain everything. Quick recap, everything you're getting today with AI Content Center: lifetime access to AI Content Center dashboard, multiple advanced AI models, complete long form content generator, ebook and digital product creation system, SEO and marketing optimization engine, AI prompt library, smart output optimization and AI writer, cloud based, works on any device, commercial license included, future AI model updates automatically added, one time payment and no subscriptions ever, 30-day risk free money back guarantee. You also have a bonus, which is premium AI content prompt mega pack. The actual cost, the real world value is $12,000, but it is included in this product, which is going to cost you £17 only. So that's it. You can just check the sales video after this.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you something that's completely changing the way marketers, creators, and businesses produce content online. And more importantly, how you can access every top AI model in one place with zero monthly fees. Over the past year, AI has taken over content creation. But here's the problem nobody talks about. Most AI tools give you one model, one style. one type of output. And that's simply not enough. Because here's the truth. Claude is the best for deep, human-like writing that connects. GPT is the best for creativity and high-volume content. Gemini is the best for research-backed accuracy. DeepSeek is the best for technical and data-heavy content. Grok is the best for real-time trending topics. So why would you limit yourself to just one? The smartest creators don't. They use the right model for the right job, and they get better results every single time. That's exactly why we built AI Content Center. Create complete long-form content powered by multiple advanced AI models. One dashboard, every top AI model, unlimited content possibilities. With AI Content Center, you can instantly generate full ebooks and digital products ready to publish and sell. Sales pages that convert from headline to final CTA. SEO articles and blog posts, keyword optimized and rank ready. Email swipes and sequences that get opens, clicks, and sales. Video scripts and VSLs that hook viewers and drive conversions. Marketing and ad copy for Facebook, Google, and native ads. Training guides and courses, build and sell your expertise. Lead magnets and AI-powered research reports. Any content type, any niche, any volume, any AI model. But here's what this completely replaces. Jasper AI, $39 to $99 a month just for writing. Copy.ai, $36 to $186 a month, limited outputs. ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month, basic, no specialization. Separate SEO tools, $50 to $200 a month, optimization only. That's easily $500 to $1,000 plus every single month just to create the content your business needs. That's not sustainable. That's not smart. With AI Content Center, you pay once, you use it forever. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Done. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Log in from any device. No installation needed. Step 2. Choose your AI model and content type. Step 3. Enter your topic or keyword and hit Generate. Complete, professional, publish-ready content in seconds. No tech skills needed, no complicated prompts, no learning curve. Most users create their first piece of content within minutes of logging in. And this turns into real income, fast. Sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle for passive income. Write sales pages for clients at $500 to $3,000 each. Run a content agency handling multiple clients at once. Build SEO blogs earning passive affiliate commissions. Deliver faster to clients. Charge more, work less. Create and sell digital products, courses, and lead magnets. And because a full commercial license is included, you keep 100% of every dollar you earn. No royalties, no restrictions, pure profit. And you're fully protected. 30-day money-back guarantee. Try everything, test every model, create real content with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every single penny. No questions asked, no stress. So, here's your decision. Do you keep paying $500 to $1,000 every month for limited single-model AI tools? Or do you activate AI Content Center today, one small payment, and never pay again? If you're ready to create any type of content instantly, access every top AI model from one dashboard, build real income streams from content, replace all your expensive subscriptions, and finally use AI at its full potential, then click the button below. Activate AI Content Center and start creating, publishing, and profiting today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress. Just powerful AI content working for you. One dashboard, every AI model, unlimited content possibilities.